Oh, got to get some enthusiasm for starting. Got this other piece of pipe bent, so that means I can fit the aft vent. Got a couple of things to do inside, electrical stuff. I can get on with plumbing this in if I get time. And if I run out of stuff to do, I can always do the battery cables, so I've got plenty to do today. Right, this aft one, I'm going to put the original one on. This used to suffer from an airlock. And I don't know whether it was in this part or that part there, but what I'm going to do for this is I'm going to give this quite a significant sort of slope up, just to at least eliminate an airlock in this piece here anyway. So. Right, now it's not quite fitting right, and that is simply because the other one was actually a smaller diameter, so the actual the radius is slightly different. I think with a little bit of persuasion, this could be modified to fit correctly. I'm just going to see if I can give this a little tickle. Right, I went a bit too far with the roller and rolled it a bit too much, so I've taken it on the vise and done a bit of manual adjustment, shall we say, and now it fits perfectly. This dog leg forms its own handy alignment tool for the other side. Take the overpressure valve off, so I've put a chain wrench on it because I put some really super strong Loctite on this. Actually, what am I talking about? I'm not taking it off the shaft, so it doesn't actually matter. Anyway, could do with a bit of a clean by the looks of things. All finished, all done. There's the old stuff there that I just kind of set out on the floor. Looks a bit odd like that, but I'll put that upstairs now into the I'll never use it, but it was way too expensive to throw out department. I just hope that that little kink there that I've had to put in and the equivalent there on the front doesn't cause me an airlock problem, because this is very slightly higher, obviously, and that could cause a lock. I'm hoping not because of the larger diameter pipe, but if it does, it will be a real pest, because I'll have to cut this block, this square piece off, and move it higher up so that the pipe can be straight. But I'm going to test it. Let's hope that doesn't happen. I'm just going to clean this overpressure valve now. Looking a bit filthy. there's anything actually really wrong with that O-ring, to be honest, but I've got some more, so I'll put a new one in. I'll just put this back on. Bit of silicone grease. I've polished this up, so it's super smooth. Bit of grease on. There we go. I've put some WD-40 down the hole, so hopefully stop a bit of that rust. There we go. Screw it back up from the other side.